when leaders develop and grow, the institution that they're working with develops and grows.
Can we have that girl first?
Absolutely, I just request someone. आप another one कर दीजिएगा please. Thank you so much. Right, but before we begin to do that, I'm going to ask you to do something very, very quickly. You've got paper in front of you, pencils and pens as is the case. Very quickly, jot down 5 characteristics or words that come to your mind when you think of effective leaders. Who are effective leaders? 5 phrases or 5 keywords that come to your mind. Very quickly, please, in under 1 minute. Quickly, take a minute to go to 3 other people who are sitting in this room and share what you think is a leader with them. Now, let's go. Go on, let's go. Denji, come along. With 3 other people in the room, share your characteristics of what a leader is with. So I walk up to you and say, Asincha, आपके क्या characteristics हैं जो leader के हैं और आप मुझे बताएंगे मैं आपको अपने बताऊंगी. You must have shared with 3 people. It actually involves getting up from your seats and going to people sitting on the other tables. Must take initiative. These words. Right. Are we sort of
done with them?
Gee, I don't know what gentlemen are probably writing a thesis on what a good leader is.
They're completing the work.
Go around and ask the people to share with us what are the characteristics that they are talking about. If everyone is together, are we all together?
Yes.
There is no essay on this one, it's okay. For examination, chill, relax. Let's get together. Right. One characteristics
Personality.
a leader has
Good personality.
a good personality. Okay?
Vision.
Vision from that table.
Should be bold. Talking
Cooperative.
power.
Talking power. Okay?
Initiator.
Cooperative.
Cooperative.
Initiator.
Must have initiative. Right.
Good guy.
Good.
Guide.
He has to be a good guide. Right.
Democratic or diplomatic attitude.
Okay. Democratic or diplomatic. Alright.
Very commanding.
Task to do something.
Yeah. एक मिनट जी आप क्या कह रहे थे?
Communicator.
Must be a good communicator जी.
That's some task target to do something.
Okay, must have a target to do something. Must have
Patient.
Patience.
Patient. Patient.
Okay, must be able to support or identify potential in his co-workers.
He always learns according to the situations.
Okay, let's go to the situation. जी
Must
बताइए.
have patience.
Must have patience
Mistakes or adaptability.
and adaptability.
Should be bold.
Commanding.
Should be bold. Okay.
Commanding.
Must be commanding as well.
Should be a good listener as well.
Okay, should be good listener. That is coming in. Must be organized as well.
Very strong decision.
Must have very strong decision power.
One is very important, he must be flexible.
Must be flexible. And the other very important thing that you should be married. Must be a fatherly figure. So there can be no young leaders. Okay. Okay. G. Must have a patriotic mind. Alright. Hold on to these thoughts because I'm going to now ask you something even more challenging for that. This is a good leader, right? Okay, my next question is, come on, move. Move. Okay. I think it is a little on against me. Well, who's a manager? He needs a good man. Who's a good manager then? Think. Very good.
Manage things.
Ji?
Who can manage the things?
Who can manage the things very well. Alright?
Who should have all these qualities which we have told just now?
Who should have all these qualities? The manager should have these qualities as well.
Plan.
That is the point.
Okay.
Should be a good administrator.
Should be a good administrator.
And carry on a good follow-up.
Okay, can carry out good follow-up.
Follow-up and
He always,
Manage the human resources.
he always gives self-example to the team.
All right, gives himself as an example to the team. Right? Anyone else?
Gets the best out of the available.
Gets the best out of what's available. Right. Very important part. Hold on to that. G, anyone else?
Perform well within the limitation resources.
Okay, perform well within the limitations.
Good point,
of that.
Director.
G.
It was a competition for some.
Okay. Anything else? G? Right. So what I'm going to do is not very difficult considering that you've identified good leaders and you've identified good managers. Can the twain meet? Can the two meet somewhere?
Somewhere, to some extent.
In what way? Let me explain that. Can good leaders and good managers be qualities that exist in a person simultaneously?
Yes, yeah.
Alright, can they?
Or managerial qualities must be there in a leader.
Yes and no, both ways.
Yes and no, both ways.
Not-
Alright.
To some extent it comes with experience.
Basically, you have a very good manager.
Right.
Now, manager may not be a very good leader.
Right, that's a very interesting sentence that has just been said. Every good leader is a good manager, but every good manager might not be a good leader. Right. Are you in a position now that you can actually say what a good leader is? A good leader as in an effective leader? Yes?
Leaders
A good leader.
can work with the team and who is not in habit of using the word I in the life.
All right, challenging.
We all who
Fine.
always use the word we.
Let's put it to the test. You've got these sheets in front of you. Write me the definition that the group thinks is for a leader. Should we start? Okay, so what should school leader have? एक बताइए. Vision, alright. That's a good start. So we start with vision. What else? Objectives. Anything about objectives? Anything particular about objectives? Do you want to qualify that? Alright, please tell me what do you want here to do? Aha. This is talking now.
Objective should be clear,
Clear
specific, attainable and challenging.
देखिए ये तो फिर आपने बहुत ही टेक्निकल सी बातें करनी शुरू कर दी है ना. Right? Any teachers, Annie? Huh? Okay.
Committed.
Sorry.
Committed.
Alright, he should be a committed person. Alright.
Must having a convincing part.
Must be able to convince others. Am I saying that?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll fix the spelling.
Must be a role model.
Ah. Must be a role model.
Good listener.
Good listener. So it has to be a good listener. Anything else you would want to add?
Discipline.
Alright.
Could you put it in this room? I think should come manager.
Pardon, Ji?
Good manager.
You must be a good manager, okay? Right. Anything else, Ji?
Innovative and flexible.
Alright.
Cooperative.
Innovative. Can I take
Flexible.
that as a second bullet?
Flexible.
Alright.
Flexibility.
Strong character.
Decision
Got me?
power. Strong.
Alright. Decisive. G.
Able to identify potential.
Identify. Want to qualify that? Identify.
The problems.
Identify
Human
core
potential.
problem.
Able potential over
Alright, G. Critical analyst. Anything else, G?
The one who knows how to get work done from others.
Okay, जी आपने क्या करना?
You put it in the quality, right? You make the others do the work, but you said. I don't want to go करेंगे तो हम दूसरे करेंगे ना.
Qualify this by saying
वो आसान हो गया
okay. right, can I then just ask the last one? Any last one that you think the good, effective school leader should have?
Commanding
Must,
and authority.
all right. Commanding and authoritative. That's the person. Bold. Bold in what sense?
Authoritative,
Decision
yeah.
making, all right.
Authoritative है almost
Authoritative.
both ways.
All right. Am I missing out something? सबने क्या किया?
Madam, authoritative भी हो and he must know how to use my authority. उसके पास authority तो है but he is not practicing his authority.
Okay.
Believes in accountability.
Pardon?
Believes in accountability.
Okay. Why do I have a feeling we are now looking at one particular leader outside the school line? Believes in accountability.
Cooperative also.
Okay. Cooperative as well.
Best use of resources.
Makes best use of resources. Right. Right. Makes best use of resources. Right. Now this is, as you have just put it, a long list of desires. कि उनके अंदर ये सब होनी चाहिए. Now, what we are going to look at is, hopefully this will work now. Oh yes, it does. Brilliant. We're going to now look at a very short, and I'm going to keep it very, very short. We are going to look at a real PowerPoint on these issues. But before we do that, what I am going to request you to do is, I'm giving out a handout, and I'm going to give you 10 minutes to quickly go down it and solve it for yourself. School specifically, no, it is not. It is a general